How to make TikTok account not private. If your TikTok account is private currently and you want to switch it to a public account, then do watch this video till the end. To get started, open up your TikTok. Now from here, you'll need to head over to your profile, which is on the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Again, tap on settings and privacy. Now this is the settings section of TikTok, from where you can manage all the settings available for TikTok. To make your account not private, tap on the privacy, which is the second option under the account section. As you can see, my account is currently private, which means that the people that don't follow me will not be able to see what I post on my TikTok account. Now to make it private, you simply need to toggle this option off. Tap on switch, and just like that, you've made your TikTok account not private. Now anyone on TikTok will be able to easily view your TikTok